Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are tackling the cleaning process for the Ronin drive chain. This specific part of the motorcycle demands regular attention. A properly maintained chain promises consistent performance, improved efficiency, and a quieter ride. Initially, my Ronin used to suffer from the chain noise, but regular care significantly reduced this issue. I lubricate the chain for every 500 to 600 kilometers and give it a thorough clean for every 1000 to 1200 kilometers. I personally rely on Motel's C1 and C2 for maintenance, and they have delivered a great results. To begin, let's open the front cover by removing the gear lever first. Using the 3x16 Allen key, loosen the bolt securing the gear lever to the gear rod. Once you slide out the gear lever from the gear rod, you are able to see a bolt securing the front car. Grab an 8 mm spanner to unbolt all the 6 bolts securing the front car, revealing the front sprocket. Now, let's remove the chain cover. Use the 3x16 Allen key to unscrew all the 6 Allen bolts, including the one securing it to the mudguard. After unscrewing the Allen bolts, gently pull out the chain cover. Now you can have access to the whole chain along with the rear sprocket. Avoid running the engine while cleaning the chain to prevent possible serious injuries. In the video, I didn't have assistance to spin my rear wheel while recording, so I briefly turned on the ignition solely to apply cleaner to the chain. Use petrol or any other chain cleaner to clean the chain. Here I am using Motul C1 to do the job. Spray it generously on the chain and the sprockets. Now leave the chain for a while to let the cleaner soak into the chain links. Meanwhile, use a flathead screwdriver or a wooden stick to remove the debris between the sprocket and its housing. Later, use a brush to wipe out the remaining gunk. If you don't have a chain cleaning brush, you can just attach two toothbrushes head to head using rubber bands. Now, expand the brushes and wedge the chain between them. Brush the chain links top and bottom and left and right sides thoroughly until they are free from debris. Also, don't forget to clean top and bottom chain guides. Wipe the chain with a clean cloth. You can notice the chain gaining back its shine. Once cleaning is done, it's time to lube the chain. Spray the C2 onto the chain by slowly spinning the wheel with your hand. Make sure you evenly apply the lubrication to the chain. Once cleaning and lubrication are finished, reattach the front sprocket cover and tighten the bolts. Reinstall the gear lever and secure the screws. Lastly, put back the chain cover and tighten its screws. Now enjoy a noise-free ride with a longer life expectancy for your chain. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.